Attention, WhatsApp users. You can now easily schedule audio and video calls directly in the app. Just go to the Calls tab. Tap the call button at the bottom right. You will see a new option called Schedule Call. Tap on it. Now, type a name for your call. For example, I am scheduling a birthday call for my friend, so I will name it Ria Special Day. You can also add a short description if you want. This step is optional. For example, let's say you are scheduling an office meeting. Adding a description will let everyone know the purpose of the call. After that, you can pick the date and time for your call. A calendar will pop up on the screen. Select the day that works best for you. Then, choose a time that suits both you and everyone else joining the call. You can also set an end time, which is useful for things like office meetings. But since I am setting up a birthday call, I don't need an end time, so I will remove this step. Then, choose whether you want it to be a video call or an audio call. Since birthdays are better when you can see everyone, I will choose video call. After that, choose the people you want to invite to the scheduled call. You can select individual contacts or even entire groups. Once you have made your selection, tap the Send button. Everyone you add will get a notification about the scheduled call. Once your call is scheduled, you can see it in the Calls tab. All of your upcoming and past calls can be seen here. You can even save the scheduled call to your calendar so you will receive a reminder at the right time. To do this, simply long press on it, then click on the calendar icon, and finally save it to your calendar. Once it's saved, your device will remind you about the call automatically, which means you won't have to worry about forgetting or missing it. When the scheduled time finally arrives, you'll see a Join Call button. All you have to do is tap it, then press Join, and wait for others to join in. The great part is that everyone who was invited will see the same button, so they can easily join too. It's perfect for planning family talks, birthday wishes, or office meetings.